Hello everyone, welcome to Magnetic Automation. This is Premchand. Today I'm going to take one important interview question which is mostly asked, that is, what is difference between findElement and findElements? Okay, so we will be discussing with the 3 points. What is a return type, which exception is thrown when there is no object with given property, when to use findElement or findElements. Okay, we'll discuss that. Let's start. Return type. What is the return type of findElement? Return type of findElement is web element. And what is the return type of findElements? It's a list of web element. Okay, since there is a multiple object with the same property, that's why it is going to return you the list. Okay, whenever the Selenium is not able to find the object with the property that you specified, then findElement is going to throw the exception. That exception name is no such element exception. Whereas findElements is not going to throw any kind of what exception. No exceptions. No exception thrown. No exception thrown. No exception thrown. And it returns empty list. And when to use this findElement? Whenever you are going to work with a single object, there is only one object with that property, then you are going to use findElement. Whenever there is a single object with a specified property, then you are going to use it. Now, when you are going to use findElements, whenever there is a multiple object with the same property, whenever there is a multiple objects with the same property, then you should use it. For example, if you want to count number of links available, number of hyperlinks available on page, hyperlinks, or I can say the images available, in that situation you can use it. Okay, I have already created video for this. You can watch. I will provide the link of the same video in the description. Okay, this much is for this video, everyone. I will be keep on giving you the interview questions on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.